Hey, try to sing!
Haha, hot dog! So today we're gonna do a room tour for each and every one of tents. For the first,
And we will rate them from 1 to 10.
okay, you're gonna represent the first tent.
Hi, this is the tent of Kiko Daniel. Let's go.
Hi guys. So we're gonna rate the tent. You can.
For me, it's 7 out of 10.
Okay.
8.5
And
out of 10.
And me, it's 9 because it's very big for many people. You can sleep, you know, you can survive inside.
Yes. Okay, let's go to the
Next
second
one.
tent.
Next one.
What are you doing?
Next one. Okay, it's green. As you can see, it's green.
So it's for guys.
Yeah. So we're gonna
Sa
Kate. So this is mine, but I pretty
I lent it.
I lend to Ate Kate. So it's very smaller than the first one.
1 or 2 person?
For 3 or 2 people person, as you can see.
Okay, we're gonna make
It's
it.
very nombok-tubong.
I'll give
very
it
amazing.
5.
Okay,
5 out of 10.
I give it a 6 because you know the color is too green. I don't like green.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
Next
Okay,
one.
no.
Wait. I'm gonna explain for the next one. The next one, it's manual. Uy, it's a manual tent. It's a manual tent. We've done it very. Well, it's very a mess, this video, you know, this vlog. So, for the third tent, represent the tent, please. Ma'am?
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna rate it. It's 10 over 10.
As you can see, the tent is very small than the 2 others. But it's cute. Yes. It's very cute.
Cute because the may-ari is... So I'm cute and this is cute and I will rate it 10 out of 10, guys.
Okay.
I'll give it 6 because it's cute.
I give it 7.5. Better than the last one.
The other one, from the other one, the next one. Okay, let's go to the next one. Sorry, wala kaming ilaw. Red, it's pretty.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna rate it 1 over out of 10.
No! It's red. It's very sophisticated.
It's very big.
I bought this for 1,000 euro.
It's for 3 people.
Yes, it has Chanel, Prada, everything in it. It has Fendi. So yeah, let's go inside, no? Come on, arat na.
It's very a mess. Look
Okay.
at this mess.
Oh wow. So guys, i-rate na namin yung fourth
tent. Fourth tent.
The red one. The Suzuki.
Actually, ako camera.
I call it the Suzuki tent. So I'm gonna rate it 7 out of 10.
I rate it for.
Kasi makalat.
I rate it for 8.
I rate it for 11 out of 10. Kasi sa kanya yung 10.
Yeah, that's not
Disqualified,
counted.
disqualified.
That's not counted. Okay. And the last and not least tent. We're gonna visit it. So as you can see, it's very smaller than the others tent, because you know the owner of this tent is very ugly. It's small, so that's why his tent is small, like like his body.
Sino nakabutas yan?
This is not very aesthetic. This is not aesthetic. She tried to plancha his own tent.
Kuya Jaren, may butas. Katon.
out of
I'll give
10.
it 5 or
I give
6.
it 2.
I give it 6.
It's only for one people, you know. Like
So guys, mine is the best. Mine is the best. Mine is the best.
Mine is the cutest. Mine is the cutest.
Kenji, ano mas best? So guys, dyan na nagtatapos ang ating 10th grade.
Because we're gonna eat some marshmallow. Beside,
Hindi ko alam yung ulo na lang po
bonfire.
nakikita namin.
Okay, so thank you for watching and see you
Bye-bye.
in the next video, next
Ano
vlog
pangalan?
tomorrow.
Check
See
it,
you.
check. Guys, comment dyan si
Krejasi, ha ha ha.
Hotdog! Bye!